I have found this website by Google searching. While I'm searching in Google, then suddenly I found this website, and I'm seeing that they need to fix few CSS issues on this website. So let's see how to fix and how it is looking like this. Nice over effect here, but you see the text is warping its line, and you see there is vibrating, little bit vibration there. So if any user enter mouse from this angle, you see the text is vibrating, which is not looking good. This is happening for this type of all block. You can see here is also vibrating there. So this kind of hover vibration need to fix on your website to make it more professional. We must fix this. Also, the text is warping its lines and vibrating. So we need to fix this mouse hover effect. Then nice slider. Wow, nice mouse hover effect, changing its color, but the arrow spacing is so fast. Okay, so there is no hover effect here. That's okay. Wow, nice carousel, changing the images and the colors nicely. Very nice. Nice scroll effect, scrolling animation, but here I'm seeing one thing. You see, this is a contact form or request form. This section is for contact form. Here is the form in the left side, and the right side here is the image slider, only images. But it is not looking so professional, or it's not looking so good. Why it is not looking good? Because the forms area are so long. The forms area height is so more compared to the images on the right side. So this we can make proportional for this section. So how this section height is also small comparing to other section. So let's say how it is working, or how the developer make this. You see the max height is 66%. We need to make it 100%, just like the other containers. So now it is 100%. Okay, still it is not looking so good. So what you can do, you can make the form into fields, two column with Felix verb. Let's see how it is will look like. It is already Felix, but next way we can keep 50%. Then you can see double column here. Very nice. Now we can keep this image in the middle of this form section. So how we can keep this image slider in the middle? Currently the image slider is in the top, alignment is in top, but we can keep it in middle to cover this entire contact section or form area. So how we can keep this, or you can keep uh, as like this if you wish, but we can keep it in middle to look very more professional. So how we can keep it, let's see. So its parent container is also Flix, just online CSS. Alien item is center. Now the image slider is in center, but it looking here is more space in top here, but here is less space. So what happening here? Here the margin bottom is so high, so we can remove the margin bottom. Now see the image slider is in perfect middle here, and the request form is now looking so nice. This is required field, so changing the color, very nice, working perfectly in the background coding. But the users only see the visual website, so we must need to make any website very nice and very professional. So now the contact section is looking very nice. The image is hovering and the text appearing from bottom, very nice, very smooth animation. Okay, very professional. But here you can see the image is doing nothing on mouse over. So what you can do, we can add little bit mouse over effect here also. How we can do this? So let's see, you can add hover effect here, very easy. You can see, oh, there is no hover CSS here, so we can add hover CSS for this section. How we can do this? Let's see. When this image will be hover, this section will be hover, then this IMG will be CSS transition transform scale. This is only browser based code and don't have any effect on your server side. This is just browser based editing. Okay, it is scale up, but there is no transition. So we need to add some CSS transition for this image. Let's see how we could make it more professional for this hover effect. Very easy. CSS transition. We can keep 0.3 second transition. Now it is appearing nicely, but it's going to another section over, so we can keep this overflow hidden. So now you'll see this hover effect will work very nice. You can see it is going very fast, but we can reduce the image transition timing as like other section on your website. So how? We have already added 0.3 second. We can make it 0.5 second. You can also delay 1 second if you wish. Anything you can add. You see nicely the image will hover on mouse over. So we can give this website more professional. Here the social icons and social links, there is no hover effect on mouse center. Also the social links don't have any hover effect, color sensing or anything. You can do anything you wish on your website to make it more professional. I have just visited homepage of your website and found there is something need to fix on your website. So see the slider is not working from here. It also work from this side. If it don't work from this side, the this icon is must not be clickable and this icon would be disabled, show gray or something like there. That means it is not clickable, but it is clickable and not working. This is a JavaScript function. We can make it clickable from both sides. Now this is clickable, but we can move this section from both sides, but this is not working. Also there is no hover effect for these icons. Anyway, so these are all in browser based editing. We can remove anything after refreshing this page. So you can see you can improve your website to make it more professional. If you wish, we can make it. You see the CSS we have added is gone. There is no mouse hover effect now. As like this, their mouse hover effect is very nice. As the form was, all our CSS are gone. The website is showing as it is coming from the server side. So we can fix few issues on our website. If the owner of this website want, I will visit all of these pages from your website and found the issues on your website. I think this need to be fixed. See, this is looking very bad from my scenes. User can enter cursor from any angle and they can stop from any point. It doesn't mean they can insert the cursor from here. If they insert from here, they also can insert from here. But this is also some gravity, which is not looking so good. So I think we need to fix this. Okay, thank you. I am front-end web developer. I'm working in Upwork. So I know any HTML CSS coding very fine. I have more than 10 years of experience of web developing. Thank you.